Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSAK Trading Academy. Guys, in this video I'll be analyzing Biocon. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for further updates, and also join the Telegram channel. I've shared the link in the description box. You can have a look at that. Okay, now this Biocon is this weekly chart. Here in this chart, the first thing what I do is draw the trend line and see what is happening with the trend. Okay, before I move to the trend line, let me check out with the parallel channel as well. Let me zoom this chart first. Let's go ahead and see how this parallel channel looks. Okay, I've taken the low of 16th March. The reason I have attached to this point, that is 1st February candle low, because I have seen a bullish candle bouncing here. I'll just drag this on the upside and see how it is reacting. Okay, guys, this probably looks good. Let me check out with the linear chart as well. We'll have better idea. Okay, for now this looks like it has hit the channel resistance here and then it has fallen down. Now it is again at the channel support. Now if you see here what has happened, I'll explain you. Let me zoom this chart more. Let us check previous week high was 406.80 and this week high was 407.10. So I won't consider it as an inside bar, but still if you see, the prices have formed something like a doji. Open is 395 and close is 394.60. So this level will be very important. In the sense, this week's high and low is going to be a very important point. In case price breaches this week's high, that is 407.10, then there are good chances prices can start moving up. And on the lower side, I won't consider 387 as a point, because there will be a trend line somewhere here. In case this price breaches this trend, there are good chances it can start coming down as well. I'll tell you about that in the daily chart. But for now, remember guys, in case price breaches and closes above 407.10 on weekly basis as well, we can see some good bonds on the upside. So once it starts moving on the upside, what are the resistance we can have? We will have resistance somewhere around 424. Then probably we'll have one more at 437, but this would be good, somewhere around 446, 464 and 478. So in case price closes above 407.10, that is doji's high, then we can see price move towards 424, 446, 464 and 478. This is on the upside target what I mentioned. These resistance line will be the targets on the upside once it starts moving up. You can note down this. And on the downside, as I've explained you, as I've said you before, I'll just tell you what is the reason I've not explained you on the downside targets. Okay, this being the key. Now let me go to the daily chart. This is the target, these are the targets on the upside. And other reason 424.75, I'll explain you this as well. In case price breaches this 424.75, it can also look something like a double bottom. That's the reason I've used this point as an important point. You can see, let me show this. I'll draw the trend line itself here. I'll just show you how double bottom looks. This is what I'm focusing on. In case price breaches above this level, then yes, there can be a good move on the upside. So I have mentioned you on the targets on the upside above 424.75. Any close above 407, it can take up to 425.75 very easily. Now let's go to daily chart and see what is happening here as well. Let me delete all these drawings. Guys, now you can see a daily chart. This is the daily chart of Bata India. Let me draw a downtrend line here first, and then also draw uptrend line. Okay, this is the downtrend line what I was talking about, and you can see here why this point is going to be very important, and also uptrend line here. I can see this. In case price breaks out 407.10, as I was telling you, this week's high was 407.10. Any close above this level, we can see price move on the upside, and these are the resistance level here. This is going to be a very important level, and also I'll explain you what is the reason it's going to be very important. This level is going to be very important. The reason you can see here, previously prices whenever has entered this level, it has fallen down. You can see here there was a fall from here, and again there was a rejection, small rejection, and then again a fall from this level. So in case it bounces, it can go touch this level, come down, and then again move up. On the daily chart, guys, it also looks like ascending triangle formation, because by the time it closes above this zone, above this area, that is 424.75, that's also double bottom important level. You can see at this high was 424.75. yes, in case price closes above 424.75 on daily chart as well, then probably the prices will be well above this 50 and 200 day moving average as well in daily chart. Then above this level, then there are good chances that there can be good volume coming in from the buyer side, and the prices can move up in Biocon. So Biocon looks for now at a very important level, because in case this trend line breaks, then yes, there will be a move on the downside. So the first important thing what I'll look at is the close above 407.10 to initiate long trades, and in case price closes below this trend line, the uptrend line what I've done, then it is a breach of uptrend line, and then probably prices can slowly head towards this low. I'll mark the targets here as well. This will be the targets on the downside. $385 and $363. Well, that's all in Biocon now. You can mark the levels what I've explained you, and you can see how Biocon performs in the upcoming week. Let's see if it can form a ascending triangle in the daily chart, and as I've explained you, if it forms a double bottom on weekly chart also, it's going to be very good. Let's see how Biocon performs in the coming week. Thanks for watching this video, guys. In case you have any doubts, drop the comment. I'll try to solve that. I'll see you again in the next video.